Hello everyone, welcome back. Now I am going to show you how can you deposit your Telegram the Ton coin into the Binance. This is very simple. In the first part of the videos I show you how can you withdraw your Telegram channels revenue into the Telegram wallet. Now the second part I am showing you how can you deposit your Telegram wallet money into Binance so that you can liquidate it. So no more than talk, let's jump into the real part. Look at this. In my Telegrams, I have only 8.78 ton, which is $28. Now I am going to Telegram ton, Telegram wallet, where I keep the all of my ton coin, which is almost I actually for testing purpose I use two time transactions. And now from this you gotta to withdraw. Click on withdraw first. Look in the Ton wallet, not crypto, Ton wallet. Go to crypto and withdraw. After you have this, you have on Ton coin, so press continue and external, as simple as it is. And you got your first, then you go to your deposits in your Binance. From Binance go to deposits, because of you have to deposits here. So I'm going to deposits here. Okay, deposits here, which is deposits, deposit crypto. Send crypto to your Binance accounts. Okay, first of all let's show deposits. And look, I have completed my transactions here. So copy address, I can copy address here. So let's search Ton, Ton, Ton coin, and select network. This is the open Ton network. Then the both address should be required. Okay, continue. Then I'm going to copy this address. Where can I copy? I actually first deposits were in my first here, so EDNZ. Okay, Ton. Let's now deposit Ton is how much Ton I should deposit. Okay, let's say 5 ton, which is 50. Should it be 5 or all of them? It could be all of them, no problem with this. 25.2. Okay, only 5 ton is better, no more confusion. Okay, 5 tons. And I got a transition here first, and all of the things are matches. Look, QD and JB and transfer ID memo 1065. Done. Okay, I am entering my passcode. So is the Ton is sent. So just now it's nothing but it's so quick as you can't imagine. Look, and done. I press done, and here you can see my Ton was removed from the Ton wallet, Telegram wallet. And there you can see this. There will be refresh 1 times, 2 times. Ton deposited progress 12 seconds ago. Okay, let's see, haven't arrived yet. Okay, deposit Ton. Look, it comes. This is happened. And I also get notifications from my email, and in desktop it don't show yet, but yeah, it's deposited. Look, overview. Look, this comes. There is a 5 tons and I got 30 tons. So let's deposit again all of the ton. I confirmations here, then again I do it again and do it again. And first, where should I go? I should deposits. What should I deposit? Crypto deposits. Then select the ton coin, then select network, which is ton network, and deposits address should be both means the memo and the address both should be needed. So I copy this address and paste it here, and again, and I should, I don't know, 20.2. Oh, you don't have enough. Oh, I should have to pay some network fee. So okay, then memo address as usual. So in one video I show you two transactions where you can saw these videos like such a way. So I transactions all of this and JB UD ton 29 coin. Only $6.65 are remaining in my ton wallet, Telegram wallet. Let's see transactions 10, 5, 10, 6, all are things 26 ton. Let's see my account, Telegram channels, where this is my Telegram channels where I generate all of the income which I deposited 26 ton. So first 1 ton, second 5 ton, then last 20 ton. So let's see does it arrive or not. Yes, look, it's come in. Okay, refresh here. 23 plus, yes, 33 ton. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, and this will make us great. And hope you like this video, and if you like this, please like this, give a thumbs up. Until then, take care, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.